Swift IQ Innovations. Where digital transformation meets pharmaceutical excellence. We're passionate about building innovative products that refine complexity from your processes and simplify the lives of your end users. Our mission is simple: empower companies by digitizing processes and connecting them intelligently to generate value, so your focus stays where it matters most. In pharmaceutical industry, leaders are responsible for more than just production. They are guardians of patient safety, stewards of regulatory compliance, and drivers of operational excellence. But how do you achieve this, when your systems don't talk to each other? Software products from different vendors don't integrate too well. The result? Isolated data silos that can't talk to each other, limiting collaboration and making it harder to unlock the real value of digital transformation. Brace yourself. We present to you PharmaOS. PharmaOS changes everything by connecting everything. It seamlessly connects every process, decision, outcome and transforms into a single intelligent ecosystem. It unifies critical functions: manufacturing, quality control, quality assurance, human resources, and learning and development. Addressing pain points across the entire plant on one powerful platform. Now, let's take a look at the journey of the workforce. The shift begins with smart allocation to individual workstations. Our dynamic workforce allocation tool, ProdReady, instantly displays the best assignments as teams enter the facility. It factors in the production plan, individual skill sets, qualifications, and attendance, ensuring every person is placed where they can deliver the most impact. Supervisors have full control to review and adjust allocations, adding or removing team members at any workstation as needed. And here's the real power. The moment assignments are confirmed, all personnel are automatically tagged to their tasks in the eBMR system, BatchRun. No confusion, no delays, just a seamless connection, from assignment to action. As we go along, notice how our BatchRun application keeps everything compliant and error-free. Let's get started. This is stage 2. The first task in this stage is the verification of hold time. From the very same screen, the system automatically calculates the use-by date based on the previous stage's completion and instantly flags whether the hold time is compliant. With a quick electronic signature, the task is verified and closed. No switching windows, no extra steps. Next comes the pre-blending stage. When the operator selects the equipment, the system instantly validates its status, checking if it's cleaned and ready to use. Oops! The equipment is not clean. But instead of breaking the flow, the system seamlessly triggers a cleaning task, all from the same centralized screen and login. With a single click, the operator is guided directly into our Clean Jobs module without extra logins or switching windows. Needless to mention 3 words: connected, compliant and smooth. Here, the cleaning operation for the Conta blender begins through a structured, Type B, cleaning form. There are 5 stages of this process. Starting with the first stage, preparation. The system first prompts the operator to confirm the AHU status. With a simple toggle, the operator verifies the conditions instantly. Next, the checklist ensures all labels, documents, and containers are cleared. Before moving further, the operator confirms the mains are switched off. If No is selected, the system blocks progression, ensuring safety is never compromised. Next stage is dismantling and pre-cleaning. The operator records dismantled parts, covering items like the charging port, discharge valve, butterfly valve, or IPC bin. External wiping is carried out, with start/stop time recorded and an option to upload photos as proof. Similarly, internal residues are removed with timestamps and a photo upload. If residues remain, the system automatically flags a deviation. And so on further stages would be performed. Once the cleaning activity is concluded, the system takes us back to BatchRun module. Note the update of cleaning status. The operation will be carried out in 3 lots, starting with Lot A. We begin by capturing the start time for the addition of tavoramol into the Conta blender. We continue capturing pause, resume and stop times to capture activities for lots B and C. When blending completes, the end time is captured, and the system validates that the process was completed within the required 30 minutes. If not, the user is prompted to provide a reason for non-compliance before proceeding. Next, the blended output is unloaded into 3 separate bunkers. From each bunker, a 20-gram sample is collected and sent to the QC team for bulk density determination. Don't miss that the sample is registered with all the details right from our BatchRun module. QC team will take that forward, and of course, the results will also be updated right here. So smooth, isn't it?
Hello. I am Lily. I am a QC analyst. Oh. I see that a QC task awaits my action. It's for an in-process sample of tavoramol 25 mg for batch BT81. Let's go. The system automatically fetches all the relevant batch and sample details from BatchRun. Let's start with preparation stage. The system checks the balance calibration status. If calibration isn't valid, progression is blocked until resolved, safeguarding accuracy. Once verified, the analyst records the tare weight of the empty cylinder, which the system auto-saves for later calculations. Next stage is the actual measurement and validation. The testing is performed in 3 sets, A, B, and C. For each set, the analyst records the sample mass and the untapped volume. The system instantly auto-calculates bulk density. Optional photo uploads allow volume readings to be visually documented for additional traceability. This process is repeated across all 3 sets, with each result captured and validated in real time. The last task validates the results. The system auto-computes the average bulk density and performs an automatic specification check. In this case, the acceptable range is 0.40 to 0.60 grams per milliliter. We see a deviation automatically being raised. We put in mandatory remarks acknowledging the deviation and move forward. Similarly, we progress through the tasks and complete our QC.
This is the power of PharmaOS. From blending to QC testing, every step is connected, validated, and compliant, without manual interventions or data silos. Ah! There's an alert at the top of the screen. It says that environmental conditions for room P1L1004 haven't been captured yet for the ongoing shift. With a single click, we're redirected to our eLogbook module, LogEver, directly into the environmental monitoring log. Most of the details are pre-filled based on the raised alert and current user so that we avoid mistakes by reducing manual interventions. Here, we start filling the form. We capture temperature reading, followed by differential pressure and relative humidity of the room. The system also makes sure that the measuring instrument used is calibrated. Each entry is recorded against the shift timing, ensuring traceability. Once the details are entered, the user provides their electronic signature to confirm the log. The system validates the entry and, with a single click, submits it successfully. This not only streamlines the workflow but also ensures that regulatory requirements for environmental monitoring are continuously met, maintaining full compliance in real time. Notice how the Room Environment Monitor widget for Shift 3 has changed from yellow to green. PharmaOS has a whole lot of interactive widgets based on user personas that help them monitor and track various activities across the plant. These widgets are designed to help you stay ahead with multiple preventive interventions. Speaking of interventions, remember the deviation we raised earlier? Let's move into the Deviation Management System, RCAPro, and see how compliant and intuitive this setup is. Here, the system covers the entire lifecycle of an incident, from capturing the event, performing a root cause analysis, identifying corrective and preventive actions, to implementing and validating them. You can even track the impact to confirm whether the root issue has been fully resolved. Let's take a closer look at the RCA process. The system offers a chat-based guided mechanism. Let's explore our deviation in detail. You select the methodology and then follow through. The chat-enabled RCA tool guides users through a series of questions across subcategories within each Ishikawa principle, and then analyzes their responses accordingly. This makes the entire RCA process intuitive, consistent, and user-friendly. But PharmaOS doesn't end here. We've built a complete digital ecosystem to transform facilities into factories of the future. True lighthouse setups. This includes solutions across the lifecycle. Document management system. Training and learning management system. Electronic user access management for IT and compliance. On the analytics side, we provide advanced tools such as RCA Analyzer. Golden Batch, ensuring every batch consistently achieves optimum quality. Machine Optimizer, which reduces batch production time while minimizing yield losses by recommending optimal machine settings. The key differentiator is connectivity. Unlike silo traditional solutions that cause data duplication and synchronization issues, PharmaOS delivers a connected, efficient, and modern ecosystem. For more information, please visit www.swiftiq.com or reach out to us at connect@swiftiq.com.